This afternoon I'm traveling from the house going to proper Nabal, and I am having with me Judel, the one that we are helping. Actually, the mission extended a little help to him because he needs additional help for some, how do we call that, school requirements, no, for his engineering studies. Hermes, our volunteer driver, is here. So Judel, what do you need? You've said you'd need around 2,600. What are the things that you need aside from the things that you have already? Scientific calculator. How much is a scientific calculator?
I think
1,200. Okay. What else? Maybe there are mission partners that has this scientific calculator. You have sons and daughters who have been engineering students. Aside from scientific calculator, what do you need?
Aside from scientific calculator, I wanted technical pen.
Technical pen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so but you've submitted to me it's about 2,600. So
Yes, sir.
I extended to you today 1,000 pesos. Maybe next week you go back and pray, we can raise another 2,000 so you can buy all the things that you need, okay?
Yes, sir.
So let's continue to hope and pray that, it's very hard for me and the mission because I am also helping many students lately, an ITA that we're sending to college. So please bear with us, but we will try our very best to continue helping you, Judel, okay?
Yes, sir.
So all I ask from you is be patient, sacrifice, attend to classes even if you don't have money, and most of all, pray to God that we can find help for you through the mission. Okay? So thank you very much and God bless you.